Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. So today is 9th of October and today's the end of the week. So we're going to start analysis with the chart on our screen. This is Euro USD. So for the arrows you see on my screen, these are engulfing candles. You can see that yesterday we actually had a bearish engulfing candle, but somehow the price did not move to the lower side as we expected. So that's not our point of reference for today. We actually have a trend line from the bottom like this, and then you also have another trend line from the top like this. So we do have some support here, we do have some support here, we do have a support there, we do have a support, and then you have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. So as it is now, we actually expect price to continue up to this resistance level. We want price to continue massively to the upper side up to this resistance. So if you're on this chart now, you are supposed to be looking for buy positions. Expect price to move upwards, expect it to continue up to the resistance which you have, which is this one. So keep looking for buy orders, keep looking for buy positions, expecting price to move up as we've seen. Expect it to continue up to the resistance level which you've just looked at. So the next chart I want us to look at, Euro USD, sorry, GBP USD. This is how GBP USD looks. It looks like we are upwards. As it is now, it looks like the current chart is upwards. But let's say if it's true that the price may continue the upside. So we have a resistance here, and then we have a support here. So you can see that previously we had a resistance at this level, we had a resistance here, we had a resistance here, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. As it is now, the price is still somehow being held above this trend line. So we do expect a continuation upwards. We expect price to move up to this resistance, the one we have, which is this. So look for buy positions, keep looking for buy orders, hold on to buy orders. Expect price to move up as you've seen. Expect it to continue up to the resistance which we have, which is this trend line. So the next chart is Usd Jpy. This chart, you can remember yesterday, we mentioned that we expect price to continue up, and the reason we said that was this: we had a trend line from this top. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, and then there's a break above. On the lower side, we have a support. So as I did mention that we expect price to go up to this level. We expect it to continue up to that level, and we also expect it to continue up to that point. In between, we also have a level there. Then we have a closer level which is at this level. So we do expect price to continue up to this resistance. If it breaks beyond this level, it should continue up to the next level. We have the next level, we have the next level, and we also have the last one, which is this one. So that's it for that chart. We'll move forward to our next chart. I want us to look at gold. So we have gold here. Gold is pulling back to the upper side. So despite this pin bar, the engulfing candle which we had, this one, the price is somehow pulling back upwards. And as it is now, this is still a sell. We do expect price to continue up to that point. So if you're on this chart now, you are supposed to be looking for sell positions. Expect price to give you a sell signal when it reaches this level here. So this should be the level where if the price comes back up to, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So we have some support, we have some support, we have a breakout, there's a resistance. As it is now, the price is approaching the same level, which is a good place to sell from. So look for a sell position here. Have your stop loss above this level. Expect price to move down up to the support, 1860.26. So that's why we expect price to go up to. If you're on this chart now, you're supposed to be holding on to a sell position, a seller's perspective. Expect price to like give you a sell signal when it hits that level properly. So we want to see maybe a pin bar, a sell candle within the zone which you've just drawn, which is this one. So the next chart I want us to look at is SP500. SP500 is upwards. We basically crossed beyond the level which we saw yesterday. We had a level there. So there was this breakout, there's a retracement, and then there's a retracement. The price has gone above this level. So expect a continuation up to this point, 3583.0. So you may want to see a retracement and then a continuation up. So this should be the correct place to buy from. So we just want a retracement up to this level, then a bounce from this level up to the resistance which we have, 3583.0. So the next chart and the last one for today is Brent oil. Brent oil is approaching a major resistance. We have a resistance here. So as long as the price does not clearly close beyond this level, this remains to be a good place to sell from. So expect a possible sell from around 43.579. Expect sellers to come in around that area. If the price closes beyond it, then expect it to move even higher. So expect price to move upwards, expect to continue higher up to the level which you have, which is this. So if you have we have a resistance here. If the current candle closes beyond this level, we do expect a continuation up to the level which you have. The next one should be here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. I will meet again on Monday at this channel. So thank you. See you.